Hi, in this video we're going to learn sine rule and cosine rule. So sine rule and cosine rule are the methods we use to find the angles or the length of sides for non-right angle triangles. Okay, so let's start with the sine rule. From this triangle, you can see the three sides. They are labeled as A, B, and C. The angle opposite of line A, okay, we name as angle A. The one opposite of B is named as angle B. The one opposite of C is angle C. So the formula for sine rule is A over sine A equals to B over sine B equals to C over sine C. Okay. Next is the cosine rule. So let's say I label here as theta. So the two lines connecting to your theta, they must be your A and B. The line opposite your theta is named C. And the formula for cosine rule, it is C squared equals to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos theta. And there's one more formula you need to know, which is the area for non-right angle triangle. Okay, so because these are non-right angle triangle, we cannot use the formula 1 over 2 times base times height. Okay, this formula cannot use. We must use 1 over 2 AB sine theta. So all these three formulas you must memorize. Get it? Now we're going to look at this question. So the diagram shows the positions of 3 points A, B, and C in the field. Show that BC is 118.1 meter, correct to 1 decimal place. So BC is here. We need to find the length for BC. So how are we going to determine whether we need to use sine rule or cosine rule? It's very simple. If the calculations involve only one angle, or you see it involves three lines, okay, then we use the cosine rule. If the calculations involve two angles, then we need to use the sine rule. For question A, we got three lines and one angle, so obviously we need to use the cosine rule. So first step, write out your formula. C squared equals to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos theta. So in this question, BC is opposite to my angle 72. So my BC is the C. So I put it in. BC squared equals to A squared is my AT. So AT squared plus 115 squared minus 2 AT times 115. Then cos the theta here is 72. Okay, so put in all these values into your calculator. And your final answer BC, you should get 118.1 meter. Don't forget to move your square to the other side. You need to square root your final answers in order to find the length BC. Okay, so that's how you get the 3 marks. Next question. Calculate angle ABC. So angle ABC is here, this part. So from this triangle, we have now 2 angles and 3 lengths. So for calculation involve 2 angles, we need to use the sine rule. Okay, so sine rule we have A over sine A equals to B over sine B. So 72, the line opposite is BC, which is the 118.1 that we found just now. So put it into your formula. So my A now will be 118.1 over sine 72 equals to B. So I need to find this angle B. The line opposite it is 115. So I got 115 over sine theta. So we do the cross multiplication. So I got 118.1 times sine theta equals to 115 times 72 times sine 72. And then we get 109.37. Then we move away the 118.1. So 109.37 divided by 118.1. I get 0.926. So to find the theta, we need to move the sine to the other side. So when we move the sine, it will become inverse sine, 0.926. Okay. So how to key in inverse sine in your calculator? You just need to press shift and then sine. And then 0.926, you should get 67.82 degree. So this is your final answer. Okay. So what if they ask you to find the area of this triangle? Very simple. So the area, we know the formula is 1 over 2 AB sine theta. Okay. So the theta is 72. The AB are the two lines connecting to it, which are 80 and the 115. So put in all these value, you should get 1 over 2, 80, 115, and then sine 72. So by keying everything into your calculator, you should get your final answer as 4374.86. Okay, so this is the area for this triangle. So that's it.